In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into crafting and building. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up crafting and building like you normally would, then press on settings. Then go to the left menu, select on account, and then you'll see this button that says sign in for free. So please go ahead and press on it. All right, then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and it is going to say, let's get you signed in. So let's press on sign in just like so. So what we need to do is we need to sign in using an email, a phone number, or a Skype. So if you already have an email that you want to go ahead and use, put it in here, and then afterwards it is going to ask you to log in. So if you do not have an email or you just want to create an account completely from scratch, do not worry. We have this option that says no account, create one. So you want to press on create one just like so. Then go ahead and select on for myself or for my child. I'm just going to be selecting on for myself. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to enter in your birthday and your country. So guys, I am going to be honest with you. I am now officially Unk status. I was born all the way in the Stone Age back in 2004. Yes, I am now Unk. But anyways, you just want to go ahead and press on next just like so. Then you guys can enter in a pre-existing email address that you already have. So if you already have like an email that you use every day, I recommend just using that. But for this video, I'm just going to be making everything from scratch. So even if you don't have anything, you're still able to sign in. So I'm just going to make this from scratch. I'm going to select on get a new email address. And then from here, you want to create your account. So you want to go ahead and name it whatever you want. So I'm just going to be calling it crafting and then building. And I'm just going to be calling it Fry Bry right over here. And then all you want to do is you want to press on next just like so. Then afterwards, you will need to create a new password. So go ahead and make sure that it's something that you remember. And please, like write your password down on a piece of paper or save it to your device notes or something like that, because you really don't want to lose your password. I've seen it happen too many times and it always ends up bad. So please make sure to save your password. Anyways, afterwards, go ahead and press on next just like so, then enter your first and last name. And afterwards, you will need to just verify that you're not a robot. So just select on press and hold right over here. And this is just to confirm that you're not a bot or anything like that. And they typically make it incredibly easy. So let's just go ahead and press and hold it right over here. And then there you go. It's now going to give us a check mark. Then it is going to redirect us to another page. All right. And then from here, we're able to go ahead and actually customize our account. So you can press on this edit pen icon right over here if you want to change your gamer tag or your profile picture. So again, this is completely up to you and up to personal preference. You just want to make sure that you put a gamer tag and profile picture that represents you and something that you're able to remember. So I'm just going to keep my gamer tag this, but of course you could change it to whatever you want. Then you want to press on save and continue just like so. Then afterwards, it is going to say welcome back, and then go ahead and press on let's go from there. And now it is going to sign us into our account on crafting and building. And what's really good is that whenever we are signed in, we could then go ahead and join servers and basically play multiplayer and stuff like that. So again, I really do think it's important that you sign in, and thankfully they make it completely free and easy. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.